All right, it's time to celebrate our birthdays on this 21st day of March. First up, we've got Amory Skaggs turning 9 years old in Seneca, Missouri. Happy birthday from Mom and all the family.
Also turning 9, Elizabeth Falk from Pittsburgh, Kansas. Happy birthday, Elizabeth.
In Baxter Springs, Kaylee Wixon celebrating number 14 this year.
And in Fort Scott, Kansas, we have Madeline Ballou, 17 years old.
It's the big 3-0 for Crystal Merritt. Crystal is in Joplin. Happy birthday.
And Debbie Jones, 52 years old in Moran, Kansas. Happy birthday, Debbie.
Looking great there, Debbie. And Jack Cosart in Columbus. Happy birthday to you.
And let's not forget about Nancy Carzone in Pittsburgh, Kansas. Having a happy birthday for you, Nancy.
All right, happy birthday, Nancy, and a happy birthday going out to Larry and Gary Oplotnik. Larry, these are twins, of course. Larry is in Fort Scott, and Gary is down in Claremore, Oklahoma. Hopefully they can get together, though.
Yep. And Larry's on the left, and Gary is on the right, so happy birthday to them both. And then we have Harold Westoff, 65 years old today in St. Paul, Kansas. So happy birthday to you, Harold.
All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, make sure you get them to us in plenty of time. Submit them to this email. That's the easiest way to do it, or you can go to our website too. But the email is birthdays@komnewsnow.com.
And don't forget about the deadline, 3 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and then 1 p.m. on Friday. Yeah. So you can be a part of the KOM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. So be sure to go to the komnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOM Birthday Club and do that today.